Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing a sweet critter card made using with the brand new July products from Time for Tea Designs. So to start with, I've got the Sunburst cover plate die, and I've just die cut this using some super smooth white cardstock, which is Papermilldirect. And now I'm just going in with some squeezed lemonade and worn lipstick, and I'm using the beautiful blender brushes just to gently apply the ink over the cardstock, and then I'm just going over the yellow with the worn lipstick. And I've got a piece of paper there to prevent any smudges that I make with my fingerprints. So I'm just going in with some more Distress Oxide, and I'm going to be adding some water to this, and I'm just gently tapping my paintbrush to make little splatters of paint. And the Distress Oxide is Wilted Violet, and I really like this colour because it just looks so soft and pretty once the card's finished. And then once that's done, I'm stamping out my images. So this is the background scene stamp, and it's so sweet. So I'm just stamping out the mountains, and now I'm going in with the all occasion critter stamps, which again, they're just adorable. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my Copic colouring. And I will have a list down below in the description box of everything that I've used in today's video if you're interested. And I've used the coordinating dies to put around the images, and this die here is actually for the little bear stamp that's sitting on a cloud. So I've actually die cut that just to use as a different shaped cloud. And now I've got some plain pink cardstock, which is again Papermilldirect, and I'm just sticking down some PVA glue to my piece that I die cut earlier, and I'm just adhering that down onto my card base. And the tacky glue that I've used dries quite quickly, so I just need to press that down quite firmly and it won't budge. And next I'm just going ahead and figuring out where to put all the little images and the scene, and anything that hangs off the card I'm just going to quickly trim off the edges, and then I'm going to start adhering everything to my card base. And these images were so much fun to colour, and they're very easy to colour too, so if you're new to colouring then these are really good images to start with. But I had so much fun colouring them. So once I've got everything roughly where I want to be, I'm going to adhere everything down using some foam tape and the PVA glue, and next I'm going to be working on the sentiment. So I've used a sentiment from the stamp set, and this is some raspberry pink cardstock, which is Papermilldirect. So I'm just putting down my powder tool, and you can see I don't know what I've done to the end of that, but the brush is not working, so that's why I've used a paintbrush. And I'm just going in with my VersaFine ink pad and some white embossing powder, and then I'm going to heat set this. Once the sentiment's been embossed with the heat gun, I'm going ahead, and in the coordinating dies you'll find this die here, which cuts out the sentiment lovely. So I'm just securing that down with some washi tape, and then I'm running it through my die cutting machine. And now I'm just securing down the panel to some super smooth white cardstock, which is Papermilldirect. And then I'm going ahead and adhering everything down that I've stamped and coloured, and all the little die cut pieces. And there's that cloud that's meant to cut out the other stamp, which I think it's really nice when you can look at dies and use them in a different way. And there we go, the card is all complete. Thank you so much for watching, and I will list all the products down below, as well as a discount code that you can use at the Time for Tea Designs store. Thanks, take care, bye.